Hey there, I'm Dr. Smith, and today we're talking about kennel cough in dogs, which isn't much different from the common cold in humans. Kennel cough is a highly contagious upper respiratory disease that generally causes a dry, honking cough. It's easily treatable in otherwise healthy dogs, but in severe cases it can lead to pneumonia. A vaccine is available for kennel cough, and in some cities it's required for dogs to attend boarding and grooming facilities. Your dog can receive the vaccine at 6 to 8 weeks and will need a booster every 6 months to a year, depending on where you live. If you notice that your dog is coughing, or if your dog has frequent playdates with other pups, talk to your veterinarian about kennel cough treatment and prevention. To connect with me and to ask your pet questions, visit drdevonsmith.com and check me out on social media. Share your favorite pet moments with our community. Go to our news app, click Explore, chime in, and upload your pet-tastic photos.